Hey, what's up? Um, Not vlogging today. It's my last week in Naples. I gotta shoot 2 videos in one day because I'm going back home to New Orleans, and I don't really know how much time I'm gonna have to edit or shoot videos because I'm going from New Orleans to Atlanta back to Florida, back to New Orleans in like 2 or 3 weeks. So I need to try to get this content at least recorded, and then I still have time to edit either while I'm on the road or in between moving. I see a lot of big YouTubers do a what's in my camera bag video, so I figured since I'm a big YouTuber, I might as well do one myself. So let's get in the video. What's in my camera bag, April 2021. All right, so you probably noticed a difference or a shift in picture, color, and audio. It's fine. I'm using my phone because in order for me to do a what's in my camera bag video, I gotta show the actual camera, right? So this is the platinum 150 liter bag from Best Buy. It's pretty much have everything that I need camera-wise in my bag. Camera, Canon M6 Mark II, 4K, no crop, small, lightweight, pictures, photos, videos, flippy screen. It's what everybody needs, what everybody wants. Perfect. And this is probably what I'm gonna be shooting the rest of my YouTube video with. This is coupled by the Sigma 16mm f1.4 contemporary lens. This is an M mount lens. Again, if you watch my first video, I don't get into all the nerd stuff, but just know that this lens fits with this camera and any other camera that has a M mount, M being mirrorless. There you go. Now, since I got those two out the way, let me just get off this phone because it's killing me to not be able to see if I'm in focus or not. Be back. All right, we back. Y'all still here? Still with me? How's the glory? All right, cool. Let's move to the next thing. This is another lens, my zoom lens. It's a Sigma 18-35 zoom lens. This one I will never be vlogging with. This shit's heavy, but it's a real good lens, and because of the type of lens it is, I have to use this lens with this adapter. It's a Viltrox EF-M to EF lens adapter. Basically what this does is connects my EF lens to my M camera and makes it a full frame camera, because my camera, even though it's an M mount, it's still a APS-C sensor. So I use this in connection with this lens, and then I get a full frame picture. It actually takes my pictures or the lens down to f1.2. So I get that blurry bokeh 4K OK. Extra battery charger. Gotta have an extra battery, especially on mirrorless cameras, because they use a lot of juice. But 2 or 3 of these should be fine. You can always keep an extra one. Always keep an extra one in your bag wherever you go. I keep one in mind. What's next? Let's see what's next. Small red cage. Y'all probably looking crazy like, what the hell is all this stuff in this bag? Small red cage. This cage is for my actual camera. You can see how small it is. The reason for this cage is because the camera doesn't have a extra chute at the top. So it's a cage to protect the ridge of the camera, and it's also a relocation device for you to put extra audio or mic or lights or whatever on your camera. So that's that. Speaking of lights, this is the Aperture M light. Basically what this is a bicolor light. With the bicolor light, you take and use this in your backgrounds. You see all the YouTubers with the little lights in the background. Some people have strips. Some people have the aperture MC light. This is my main light. This one just gives me the white color. I could put this on top of the camera, give me some extra light. It comes with this pouch. Comes with the USB charger. Comes with some little sticky things for you to put the lights on top of the ceiling. Obviously, I'm a brand guy, so all my stuff I have is all name brand. What's crazy about this light is I got 3 of them. They're all labeled. I have this as my main light, this as my left light, and this as my right light. They're all programmable with the app. I change the colors on whichever one I want, whenever I want. What else we got? This. Switch pod. Switch pod. Now, people hate this. People hate this switch pod. I don't know why, but this shit is handy AF. I got this switch pod. I was thinking about, let me go get the Joby Gorilla Pod because all the YouTubers was using it. So I got this and I got the ball head. Ball head goes on top of here. Allows you to be more flexible with your camera angle. But this switch pod, and it's super light. I don't know why people don't like this. It's super light. And it's perfect for my camera. What else I got? Let's see, got some gum, Mentos gum. Don't never go nowhere without gum. Vitamin C, got some of that. Keto weight loss pills. I eat buku food, so I need to try to slim down. 5 Hour. Hey, look, anybody that know me know I love these things. I don't drink them as much as I used to because I don't necessarily have to, but I do keep some in my bag because you never know, especially on those days I have to vlog. Believe it or not, that shit takes forever to shoot, and then you gotta edit. I see why people get burnt out on YouTube, but not me though. I'm committed. It's actually helped me stay committed. What else? Got some microfiber cloths. Keep those with me because I have to wipe down a lot of screens and everything. And B12 vitamins. So that's all that's in my camera bag. Like the video, share it with your friends for a second opinion. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down button twice. I'm out.